In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use an attribute-based object search to quickly locate a vehicle or person based on specific attributes like color or gender. First, navigate to View and pull up the P-Series AI camera. It is currently about 3:30 p.m., and we need to find a yellow bus that came by this morning. Go to the Object tab. Let's look at this particular device. The search is currently set for the last 12 hours, but you could pick a different time frame. Let's set the object type to Vehicle. Now for the attributes. It's not just any vehicle. It needs to be a bus and yellow. Let's see how many went past. Okay, 9 went past. There's the one we were looking for at 7:31 in the morning. You can click on it and hit the export button. You could choose whatever format you want, a simple MP4 for this demo. Select Show in Folder and open up the file. Let's see if we can catch the number on the side of the bus. There it is, 29. Alright, that's how you use object search to quickly find a specific object based on its attributes.